What was the color of the original Grinch in Dr. Seuss's How the Grinch Stole Christmas? Green? Nope. He was colorless. The only other color used in this otherwise black and white masterpiece was red, and pink, which was the color of the Grinch's eyes. A few more fun facts about the Grinch. First of all, the book wasn't the first time he appeared in print. That occasion was the 1955 issue of the magazine Red Book, in which Seuss published a 32-line poem called The Hubbub and the Grinch. And that wasn't even the first time Seuss used the Grinch's name. Seuss first used it in 1953 in a book called Scrambled Egg Super, in which there was a character called a beagle-beak, bald-headed Grinch. Going back to Seuss's Grinch poem in Red Book magazine, The Hubbub and the Grinch. It proved to be so popular that 2 years later, he published The Grinch Who Stole Christmas, once again in Red Book magazine. It wasn't for another 2 months that the book version of the Grinch's story appeared. Again, a colorless Grinch with pink eyes. So when did the Grinch get his green? That happened when Looney Tunes legend Chuck Jones and Dr. Seuss collaborated on the 1966 Grinch Christmas television classic, and it came after much discussion. Finally, they decided to go with the color of every rental car Chuck Jones drove that summer in 1966 when visiting Seuss at his home in La Jolla, California. That color? Green, of course. Go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, to learn how to draw 3 versions of the Grinch and much more.